Hi there. I am Jesse Dollemore, host of the podcast I Doubt It with Dollemore. It is a beautiful time to be an American. Marriage is finally a right extended to us all, whether gay or straight. The march to progress isn't always fast, but it certainly is always steady. Freedom and equality has won out, and it is a sad day for those of you who prize the rights of the government, in this case state governments, over those rights of its individual citizens. Now let's unpack this a bit. If you were trying to make a states' rights argument against gay marriage, you believe strongly in the 10th Amendment, which is the powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. Simply stated, this means that if a power is not specifically granted to the federal government or specifically not granted to the states, it's for the states. On the other side of this issue is the 14th Amendment, which in part says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. Now that last part is the important part here. Nor deny any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. You see, in America, it matters not if you are filthy rich or if you're dirt poor, or well-known, or a nobody like me. We are all looked upon equally under the law and enjoy the same protection under our Constitution. So this is really a message to my fellow conservatives, to my fellow Americans with a healthy skepticism of the government and its power. Individual rights should always trump those of the government. If you take away the rights of the individual, the government will be powerless. After all, this is a government made up of we the people, is it not? Well, all this brings us to where we are today. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is encouraging clerks and other state employees to refuse to issue marriage licenses to gay and lesbian couples on the grounds that two gays or lesbians who are in love and choose to commit themselves together in marriage may violate someone's deeply held religious beliefs. Well, listen, I hate to break it to you, Texas state employees, but it isn't in your purview to decide to issue licenses or not to issue licenses. That would be like a postal worker refusing to deliver a Playboy magazine or a porn video. It would be like a DMV employee not wanting to issue a driver's license to someone who drives a beer delivery truck. If you are working in a secular position, do your job and leave your deeply held bigoted beliefs out of it. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to both the YouTube channel and the podcast, I Doubt It with Dollemore. Thanks a lot.